Hello beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing well. We are currently staying at home because of this corona pandemic, so yeah, I'm just sending you guys like love and a proper shout out. I hope you're sane, I hope you're keeping busy, I hope you're resting, I hope you're giving yourself time, and yeah, just trying to figure things out on your own terms, because trust me, this thing has just made it's not even made me question things, it's made me review what I used to find important, and it's given me a sense of peace that I feel like I did not know I needed. So yeah, I think I'm taking it better than I thought I would. Giving myself time obviously to like deal, and not giving myself any pressure at all to do anything that I do not want to do. So yeah, I'm really loving it, but that's beside the point. If you're well, let's continue with this video. This video is a BTS. One thing I've been doing to kind of keep me sane is going back in time and seeing some of the awesome projects that I've been doing with really awesome people. I take BTS very often, but then most times I don't get time to like sit down and edit, because I'm always just like, this is so much work, oh my god, I'm so busy. But right now I have all the time in the world, so I can't even give you guys any excuses. Another day, another shoot, haha. Anyway, so today we are at Alco Creative Surprise, and we are shooting an amazing editorial. So the inspiration for this editorial actually came from New York Fashion Week, and how everyone just looks so freaking glamorous outside in the night in the streets. I was like, you know what, we have to do this. Like, I don't know how, but we have to do it. So one thing I realized is that shooting in town in Nairobi, the CBD, is just not a vibe. So we had to compromise, and yeah, we came up with a really dope concept that you guys are going to see today. So for makeup, we have Daisy. Daisy and I actually told ourselves that we're going to do a shoot a week this month, and so far so good. And the look for today is this smoky eye, very intense smoky cat eye kind of situation that she literally just nailed. I'm really happy with how it looks right now. Ella is our model for the day. Her name is also Deranged Unicorn on Instagram, and she's also a photographer, so I'm really happy that she's going to be a part of this shoot. We have Lydia on the styling, and Lydia literally came through with all the shiny beautiful dresses that we needed for the vision, and I'm so happy because I know for a fact that it's going to photograph so well in the light. And last but not least, we have Corinne on the hair, and the hair look is this old school glam, like the waves with the pins and stuff like that, which you'll get to see soon. So yeah, let's go. Is your head okay?
Wait till you see
you guys. So Ella, a beautiful model for the day, looks like she's just come out of hospital, but you guys, it's part of the process, believe it. Corinne knows what she's doing. Anyway, so now she's going to go to do like touch-ups of her makeup, and I'm going to show you guys how that looks. 2 seconds. The bandages are being removed. The texture of your hair has worked perfectly.
Yeah. The two little curls. At the back. Yeah, it gives it some body. I want to puff them up.
So the general vibe of the shoot, as I've already mentioned, was old Hollywood glam, and since we couldn't shoot outdoors in town, I ended up shooting at the studio compound. That's Alco Creative. So we shot at the car park and we made it work. We worked with our car lights. So mine and Daisy's cars sort of provided like the flashing lights for the shoot, and then we used my car as a Mercedes Benz, so we had to work really hard with the lighting to make it seem like a luxurious car, which meant like hiding everything. Yeah, you got it. Try to get the light on your face. I'm wondering where it is. There we go. Hey Ella, because you should know how much you've worked. So look at me. Ooh, yeah.
Wow.
We are going to go out one day, all of us.
Yeah, just like this.
It's like glam.
Oh my god!
I know.
That's
Then we
literally my dream.
It takes me like 10 minutes to do.
We go to like 5 clubs.
Is it on your thing?
Lower.
Right. There. So, I'll take it higher. So we make it. Is it?
Yeah. There we go.
There.
Woo!
That's the energy. That is the energy, right? Go.
That.
Two, three, go. I like that. Where's your bag? Woo.
I want one of those lights in the shot. A bit far. Right now we're shooting the second look, which is this blue dress, and we're shooting it in my little kadudu. Yeah, ready? Hey girl. Hey, you look nice. Ga. Boom. Ga.
I'll try it.
Hey, you look so good. Jesus. Okay, yeah. Time to shoot. Bye. Be able to create just for creation's sake is just it's a really good feeling. It's a really good feeling. Anyway, just arrived home. I'm tired, I'm hungry, but I'm happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.